In this video, we will learn how to successfully complete the onboarding process of MDPLIX. Click on the sign up button on the top right. Form with different fields will appear. Fill in the details like the first name, last name, the username, the verified mobile number and the working email address. After filling in the details, click on Get OTP. A verification code will be sent to the registered email ID. After filling in the details, click on the Create Account button. The account will be created. You can either log in via password or OTP. Let's see how we can log in using the password route. Click on the Reset Access button. Fill in the required details like the email address and the username. A OTP will be sent to the registered email ID, and after verifying the OTP, you can reset the password. After resetting the password, you can simply fill in the username or the email ID and the password. After successfully logging in, you will be routed to the onboarding page. Here you can fill in the company details and select the different plans like the MDPLIX Professional Plan, the Advanced Plan, or even the Free Clinic Plan. Fill in the required the doctor details as well, specialization, the experience, the address. After filling in the required details and accepting the terms and conditions, simply click on Submit Registration and you will be successfully onboarded on MDPLIX.